it also means for Indian market is that if indeed US economy doesn't go through a massive recession, then the IT stocks, which are dependent hugely on US economy, and a lot of companies out there, retailers, NBFCs, BFSI, IT stocks may actually start doing well from here on. And so even the metal stocks, the global metal stocks, is something you need to keep an eye out for. But moving on, let's also talk about what are the other stocks which are in focus today and are making the moves on respective news. Mamakshi is here with that. Mamakshi?
Well, yes, let's first start off with Sula Vineyards. This stock is up and away in trade today after the company came out with its Q1 update. The company has highlighted that they have recorded the highest ever Q1 as far as net revenues are concerned. They did see an uptick of almost 17% that came in on a year-on-year basis, and in fact, this was largely led by their own brands, which actually showed a growth of almost 24% on a year-on-year basis. On the back of that positive Q1 update, watch out for Sula Vineyards. Other than that, another stock in focus on the back of its Q1 update is Keystone Realtors, and in fact the stock has hit its all-time high today after reporting the best ever Q1 pre-sales performance. Pre-sales came in at 500 crores, an uptick of 106% on a year-on-year basis is what the company has recorded, and even the collections were quite robust at almost 490 crores, up 22% on a year-on-year basis. Other than that, keep an eye out on Tata Motors. The stock has also hit its all-time high after reporting a 30% year-on-year jump in the wholesales for Jaguar Land Rover, and in fact they have also reported a 5% increase in the group global wholesales. Max Ventures also in focus because Max Estate has in fact its first luxury residential project in NCR has garnered pre-formal launch sales of almost 1,800 crores. A positive news flow for this counter, and that is the reason why the stock is a buzz in the trading session today. On the other hand, we have two stocks that are reeling under pressure today. Let's first look at Titan. We have a note coming in from Morgan Stanley, and they have gone ahead and downgraded their rating from overweight to equal weight, but they maintained their target price at 3,207. Now, important to note that this is Morgan Stanley's downgrade for the first time since October 2021, and they believe that the outperformance is expected to see a temporary pause, and high gold prices could impact discretionary consumption. Other than that, they believe that the business growth momentum is expected to slow down a bit in the next couple of quarters. Hindustan Zinc also reeling under pressure today. The board approved interim dividend of rupees 7 per share, which implies a 2% dividend yield, and analysts largely believe that Vedanta Resources debt and interest payment is now largely taken care of, and huge dividends may not be a way forward given Vedanta's debt level. So given those factors, Hindustan Zinc under pressure today.
Thank you so much for those stocks. But on that note, viewers, we're going to step into a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back with more updates on the market after this.